You know when a laptop just looks expensive the moment you see it? That's exactly the vibe the HP Spectre x360 14 gives off. It's slim, sharp, and just screams premium, especially in this nightfall black color with those gold accents. But looks can be deceiving, right? So, I spent the last few days actually using this thing, working, watching, testing, and here's my honest take. Starting with the display, oh man, it's one of the best I'd used on a 14-inch laptop. This OLED touchscreen is not just bright and vibrant, it's rich. Blacks are truly black, colors pop like crazy, and it runs at 120 Hz, so everything feels super smooth. If you're someone who edits photos, watches a lot of content, or just wants a screen that feels alive, this one's going to impress you. And yes, it's IMAX enhanced, which sounds gimmicky but actually makes a difference when watching supported content. Now, in terms of performance, it's powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 7155H chip, paired with 32GB of RAM and 2TB SSD in this model. That's more than enough for most power users. I had over 30 tabs open, was running Photoshop, Spotify, and a few background apps, and it didn't slow down. It's fast, smooth, and just handles pressure really well. If you're into video editing or multitasking, this will easily keep up. And let's talk battery, this was a shocker. I expected a big screen like this to eat up power, but it actually lasted me a full workday and then some. I got around 14 to 16 hours depending on what I was doing. Light work? It'll stretch past 18. That's seriously impressive for an OLED machine. Now, not everything is perfect, and I want to be real about that. There's no HDMI port, no SD card slot, and the stylus doesn't slot into the laptop, it sticks magnetically to the side, which sounds good in theory, but mine fell off twice just while pulling it out of my bag. So, yeah, if you're a creator who needs to transfer media or wants a built-in pen slot, that might be annoying. But the webcam, oh wow, 9 megapixel 4K webcam, it's better than my external Logitech cam, honestly. If you're doing Zoom calls, video interviews, or even want a vlog on the go, it's super crisp and handles lighting well. Plus, it comes with smart features like face tracking and background blur, built right in. Typing on it feels good too. The keyboard is quiet, a little shallow maybe, but super responsive. I got used to it really quickly. The only thing I didn't love was the arrow key layout, it's a bit cramped. Trackpad is huge, smooth, and has some cool built-in gestures for volume and brightness. Very MacBook-like, and I mean that in a good way. As for audio, HP moved from Bang & Olufsen to Poly Studio for the tuning, and while I was a bit skeptical, it still sounds clean. Not super bass-heavy, but definitely loud and clear enough for calls, YouTube, and casual music. Storage-wise, the unit I tested has 2TB SSD and 32GB RAM. Honestly, that's more than most people need, but if you're a creator, a student working with heavy files, or someone who just wants future-proofing, it's awesome. For most folks though, the 16GB RAM plus 1TB model should be plenty. So here's the bottom line. If you want a laptop that's not just powerful but also looks and feels like a luxury product, this one's easy to recommend. It's not cheap, and you should know that. Fully spec, it's almost $2,000. But for that price, you're getting performance, build, battery life, and a stunning display in one package. Would I personally buy it? Honestly, yes, if I had the budget and wanted a versatile 2-in-1 that can actually last me 4 to 5 years, I'd go for it. And hey, if you're thinking about buying one, I've left the best link I could find down in the description, check it out. And if this review helped you at all, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.